想快乐微动就跟跳 Sino Afro。Hello， 大家好，我是那个谁老师 ，and today I'm here to teach you an easy dance tutorial. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Okay, let's start. So our first move, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times. So after here, we go to the 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do this also 4 times. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Okay? So after here, 4 times, then we go to the chorus of the song. Our next move. We lift our leg like 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and after here, we go move forward with our right leg. 1, 2, and push. Again, 1, 2, and push. So after here, we do this again, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, we go to the freestyle. We freestyle around. After freestyle, we do this, what we have done, again, all of it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after here, we go back again from here. So after this one, we do it 2 times. Last time, we did it 4 times. So now we do it 2 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after here, we go back to the chorus of the song. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After, we move forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after here, we go to our new move. So our new move, for this side, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times also. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times. So after here 4 times, after 7, 8, we go to our next new move and we point down, down, and double, double. 1, 2, down and up. Then we turn to the left side. Tap, 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 and up. So we do this also 4 times. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's 2. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So after here, again, we go back to the freestyle. We freestyle, your own groove. So after the freestyle, we go back to the top where we started. Our first move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one we do 4 times, but here the last verse here we do 3 times because of the beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, and that's 1. 1, tap and tap and tap. That's 2. Tap, tap, tap and tap. So after here we go freestyle also. Small freestyle. After freestyle, small freestyle, we go back to the chorus. Our chorus move. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after here, again, one more time, our first move, and tap, tap, t, tap, t, tap, t, tap, 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 t, tap, 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 t, tap. Here we come to the end of our move, our tutorial. So this is the last move. So let's do it one more time from top, then after we make it there. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 to the chorus, and chorus, then chorus, then chorus, and move, slide back, move, slide back again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and move, slide back, move, slide back. Here we freestyle, then we go back in 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and after 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and freestyle. After freestyle, we go back to the 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and tar, freestyle, 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 ta, 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 tap, tap, and tap, and tap, tap, ta, 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 tap, and poof. Hope this was nice. Here is the end. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And Sino Afro, don't forget our channels. Thank you. Whiny. Bye.